question for class 10th, surface area and volume from that chapter. You can write down the question. Okay, this will consist of 2 marks. Okay, I hope you can see this clearly. A tent of height 3.3 meter is in the form of a right cylinder, circular cylinder. For right circular cylinder of diameter 12 meter, okay, and height 2.2 meter, surmounted by a right circular cone. Of the same diameter. And slant height 6.1 meter. Find the inner surface area of the whole tent. Just take pi value to be 22 upon 7. So this is 12 meter. I'm drawing the figure also. Okay. So all the question which I will be giving today, you'll have to write down this one by one. Okay. So very important for your exam purpose. Meter. Okay. Draw this figure also. So this question is from surface area and volume. I hope you all can see this clearly. Okay. You can draw this and keep. Then I will moving towards the next question. Then this is all 2 marks each questions I will be giving. Okay. Very important for your exam. So yeah. So I'll turn the page and I'll give you all the other one also. Next, let me write down the next question here. Yeah, okay. Find the depth. Find the depth of a of a cylindrical tank. Okay. I hope you all can see this clearly. Find the depth of a cylindrical tank of radius 28 meter if its capacity is equal to that of a rectangular tank of dimension 28 meter into 16 meter into 11 meter. Okay, I hope you all can see the questions properly over here. Okay, you all can pause and write down. Hi, hello everyone. Thanks for joining. And you all can write down the question. The question is taken from surface area and volume. I hope you all can see this question properly. There are two questions for 2 marks each. Okay, and today you all have to write down this. So yeah, now let me turn the page. Write down the third question. The outer and inner radii, the outer and inner radii of a spherical shell are respectively 4 centimeter and 1 centimeter. You'll have to find the volume of the metal contained in the shell. Okay, take down this question. Then I'll move towards the one more question. These are all important questions. So total 10 I have to give. So we reach to third one. So now I will be writing these are all 2 marks each. Okay. So yeah. Next question I am writing. The length of a cuboidal hall. The length of the cuboidal hall is 22 meter. Okay. and its width is 18 meter. The sum of the areas of the sum of the areas of the wall areas of the four walls, okay, four walls is equal to the sum of the areas of the floor and the flat roof. Find the height of the hall. Okay, so I hope you'll have written this question. Okay, I can take down this question and I'll turn the page and I'll start continuing with the next question. Yeah, so let me turn the page. I'll continue writing the questions. Okay, this one will be the fifth one. Yeah, so let me write down. A top shaped in the form of a cone. In the form of a cone surmounted by a hemisphere as shown in the figure is to be painted. The diameter of the cone is the diameter of the cone the diameter of the cone is 6 centimeter and height of the full top is 7 centimeter. You'll have to find the area to be painted. Okay, you'll have to take the pi value to be 3.14. Okay, so now let me draw the cone. So here it will be 6 centimeter. Okay. Now moving towards the next question. I've already drawn the figure and all. You can copy the question. Meantime. Okay. So now let me turn the page and write down the other next question. Okay. So write down the volume of a cylindrical tube of a cylindrical tube the volume of the cylindrical tube 14 centimeter long is 924 centimeter cube. If its thickness if its thickness is 1 centimeter, find the outer radius find the outer radius find the outer radius of the tube. So you'll have to take pi value to be take pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Okay, so take down this question. Now 4 questions more are remaining. I'm giving only 10 questions as I said. Okay, so let me read the question. The volume of cylindrical tube 14 centimeter. You'll have to 14 centimeter long is 924 centimeter cube. If its thickness is 1 centimeter, you'll have to find the outer radius of the tube. Okay. So moving towards the next question. Okay, let me turn the page. Okay, this is the seventh one question, right? So find the area of a cylindrical glass. So write down find the area of a cylindrical glass of base of base radius of base radius 8 centimeter and height 15 centimeter. You'll have to take pi value to be 3.14. Okay. Now moving towards the next question. So 3 more are remaining, right? Yeah. Let me turn the page. A vessel is in the form of a is in the form of a hollow hemisphere. Mounted on a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter, and the total height and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. Okay, you'll have to take pi value to be 22 upon 7. Okay, now you'll have to let me draw the figure also of a cylindrical hollow hemispheric hemisphere. Sorry. So this one will be 14 centimeter. So this is 13 centimeter. Okay. Now you can copy the question also. These are the important questions for class 10th mathematics from surface area and volume chapter. So now this one was it. Now two more questions and then I'll wind up. Okay. Okay, let me read the question. An open vessel is in the form of a hollow cylinder on a hollow cone. The diameter of the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter each. The total height of the vessel is 22 centimeter. You'll have to find the outer curved surface area of the vessel. Do not substitute the value of pi. Okay, pi value are not supposed to substitute. So let me give you all the next question. So let me tell you all one more thing. I will be solving this. I will make a video of this. I will solve each one. I will solve, and the link also I will provide in the description. Okay. So there will be a, otherwise you'll go in the playlist of class 10th mathematics surface area and volume, class 10 surface area and volume. In that you all can just see I will be uploading one on solving of one of each of this question. Okay, you all can try meantime. These are important questions for 2 marks each. Here. Find the volume of a hollow spherical shell. Find the volume of a hollow spherical shell. Of inner and outer radius of inner and outer radius 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. Okay, you'll have to take pi value to be 22 upon 7. Okay, find the volume of the hollow hemispherical shell of inner and outer radius 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. Take pi value to be 22 upon 7. Okay, take down all this.